replicant of it. This is a replicant of it. And I think this woman own is even getting water. This woman own is even getting water because come on. Another thing I want to say, she shouldn't push some of us that she normally call after program individually, privately. She shouldn't push some of us to start saying what she told us. For the fact that she can go to the extent of bringing a private conversation you had with DPM. So you don't push us to start saying what you told us privately. And I am a member of Otunoko, so-called Otunoko Zunono, and I've already removed myself from there. I've even block her WhatsApp line. She shouldn't call me because I don't get very a lot of particles when a lot of dirty particles when if you can't want to bello in Kawa Bumili Doredo, in Kawa can you crown, Kawa can not talk. I'll do whatever everything or this like a market play. No cho, Nichaka Boko, Oyabana goes over up where there, Oyama Bono. So because I did not agree on what you are the lies you are telling me, then automatically I become on you. Automatically I come on you to you.
Oh my goodness, saboteur.
Because I did not buy your lies, I got the teeth. Somebody is actually this is very, very obvious. And let me tell you guys, before I remove myself in that group, I saw a lot of people have removed themselves from there.
Okay.
This person was removed. This person removed herself. This person removed himself. This person was removed by so person. I myself removed myself. I blocked. I removed myself from there. And there is one particular man that normally calls on her program.
Okay.
If you people listen to her program, you agree with me that there is one particular man. Anytime he calls, you will be like and I even go get
okay.
That man is okay. I mean, for his voice, you could tell that this man is an old man. He's a grown-up man, an old man. At the you know go you take your own You see, I don't know how people think. I don't know how people reason.
Oh my goodness.
I'm not saying in the brain as the menopause and all that kind of thing. One day we keep protecting and support that. No people like me. And let me also use this opportunity to say that. Are you abundant about war? Now platform here. Are you abundant a reply? Every other people commenting rubbish in our platform. Are you abundant about war there? Na comment section here. And somebody like me, Freeman equal to when Olusi, innocent half man, which innocent half man now too is now watching on this thing, Biafran Exodus. I saw his comment. I salute him in Biafran Exodus. And he's commenting positively. You see, I just imagine Kaya when I want a comment section here. More innocent half man, Freeman equal to one. And okay, the other one still remain there doing my win. She's still there. You see? So and all these people, they're gonna have to get now. Come on now. If that social media is simple, you see a lot of freedom. If that social media are not calling a lot of freedom, who does that? Who does that? Who does that? So my brother Biko, I been the Kobe about only open a man this woman as go to freedom corner shop. Makachineke. I hit my chest. I broke in the corner shop. Because I walk privately. You have all freedom corner shop. Normal private conversation. Get a mother with a just to proper